Did you know that small changes to your daily meals can make a big difference in your health and help you save hundreds of calories? In this video, we'll show you practical meal swaps for breakfast, snacks, main dishes, and desserts. These easy changes will help you eat healthier while still enjoying delicious food. Let's start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Many traditional options are calorie-heavy but can be easily swapped for lighter, healthier alternatives. Instead of 2 medium slices of toast with full-fat butter, choose 2 slices of toast with low-fat spread. This simple change can save 38 calories. Love porridge? Swap whole milk for a mix of half water and half skimmed milk. You'll still get a creamy texture while saving 61 calories. If cereal is your go-to, switch sugar-coated cereal with semi-skimmed milk to a whole grain cereal and skimmed milk, saving 30 calories. For a full English breakfast, skip the fried eggs and sausages. Opt for poached eggs, baked beans, and toast with low-fat spread. This healthier choice saves a whopping 187 calories per meal. Small changes like these help reduce calorie intake without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Snacks are often where calories sneak in unnoticed. Here are some swaps to keep your snacks healthy and satisfying. Swap 2 chocolate digestives, which are 168 calories, for 2 rich tea biscuits at just 76 calories. That's a 92-calorie difference. Instead of a blueberry muffin, choose a currant bun to save 170 calories. Craving chips? Choose an individual bag of oven-baked crisps instead of standard crisps to save 27 calories. For yogurt lovers, replace full-fat thick and creamy yogurt with low-fat natural yogurt. This small change can save 55 calories per serving. And if you enjoy crackers, opt for crackers with reduced fat spread and cheese instead of butter and full-fat cheese, saving 85 calories. For your main meals, healthier cooking methods and ingredient swaps make a big impact. If you love pasta, switch from a creamy cheese-based sauce to a tomato-based sauce. This swap alone saves 258 calories. Replace a jacket potato with butter and cheese with one topped with reduced fat spread and low-fat cheese, cutting 122 calories. For meat dishes, replace creamy sauces with vegetable-based options. For example, swap creamy chicken curry for grilled chicken with steamed vegetables, saving 270 calories. Love fish and chips? Opt for baked fish and chips instead of deep-fried, saving an impressive 346 calories. Desserts don't have to be off-limits if you're mindful of your choices. Try these swaps. Replace jelly with sugar-free jelly, saving 19 calories. Swap a scoop of ice cream for a scoop of sorbet. This small change saves 19 calories and is just as refreshing. If you're having custard, use semi-skimmed milk instead of whole milk to save 10 calories per serving. Craving cream toppings? Choose aerosol cream instead of double cream to save 86 calories without compromising on flavor. Drinks are often overlooked when cutting calories, but they can contribute significantly to your daily intake. Here are some simple swaps to keep your beverages lighter. Instead of a regular sugary soda, switch to diet soda or sparkling water infused with fresh fruit slices like lemon, lime, or berries. This swap saves around 150 calories per can. Love your morning latte? Opt for a skinny latte made with skimmed milk or plant-based milk instead of whole milk, saving about 70 calories per cup. If tea is your go-to, avoid adding sugar. Instead, sweeten it with a calorie-free alternative like stevia, or simply enjoy it unsweetened. For alcoholic beverages, swap a regular pint of beer for a lighter beer or a glass of dry wine to save up to 100 calories per drink. Finally, make water your primary drink. It's calorie-free, hydrates your body, and can even help curb unnecessary snacking. Simple swaps in your drink choices can easily trim hundreds of calories from your diet without effort. One of the best ways to stick to a healthy eating plan is by prepping your meals ahead of time. Here are some tips to make meal prep easy and effective. Cook your meals in bulk and portion them out for the week. For instance, prepare grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, and brown rice, and store them in separate containers for quick balanced meals. Swap store-bought sauces, which are often high in sugar and calories, for homemade options like tomato-based marinara, yogurt-based dressings, or herb-infused olive oil. Keep healthy snacks on hand like pre-cut fruits, boiled eggs, or small bags of unsalted nuts, so you're not tempted by unhealthy options. Freeze leftovers from healthy dinners to avoid resorting to takeout on busy days. Finally, invest in a food scale to ensure your portions are accurate, which can help you better manage your calorie intake. Meal prep saves time, reduces stress, and helps you stay on track with your weight loss goals. Fiber is a key player when it comes to weight loss and maintaining a healthy diet. Incorporating fiber-rich foods keeps you full longer, reducing the temptation to overeat. Here's how to include more fiber in your meals. Start your day with oatmeal topped with fruits like berries or sliced bananas. Oatmeal is not only filling, but also a fantastic source of soluble fiber. Add legumes like lentils, black beans, or chickpeas to your salads, soups, or stews. These are nutrient-dense and packed with fiber. Choose whole grain options such as brown rice, quinoa, and wholemeal bread instead of refined grains. Snack on raw veggies like carrots, celery, or cucumber with hummus for a fiber boost. Lastly, don't forget about seeds like chia and flax seeds, which can be sprinkled over smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Increasing your fiber intake supports digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and helps manage your weight effectively. Protein is another essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in weight loss. It boosts your metabolism and helps build and maintain muscle mass while keeping you full longer. Here's how to include more protein in your diet. Swap carb-heavy breakfast options like bagels or muffins for protein-packed meals, such as Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds or scrambled eggs with spinach. Incorporate lean protein into your main meals, like grilled chicken, turkey, tofu, or fish. Snack on high-protein options such as a handful of almonds, hard-boiled eggs, or cottage cheese. Consider adding protein powder to your smoothies or oatmeal for an extra protein boost. And remember, plant-based sources like beans, lentils, and edamame are excellent options for vegetarians or vegans. Adding more protein to your meals not only aids in weight loss, but also helps keep cravings at bay. Contrary to popular belief, fats are not the enemy. Healthy fats are essential for energy, nutrient absorption, and overall health. Here's how to make sure you're choosing the right fats. Use olive oil instead of butter for cooking and salad dressings. It's rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Add avocados to your salads, toast, or smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-rich fat source. Snack on nuts like almonds, walnuts, or pistachios in moderation. They're calorie-dense but packed with healthy fats. Incorporate fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines into your diet at least twice a week for omega-3 fatty acids. Avoid trans fats found in processed foods and instead focus on whole, unprocessed options. Balancing healthy fats in your diet helps keep you full, supports brain health, and enhances your overall well-being. Beyond these swaps, here are some general tips to keep your meals healthier. Always ask for no butter when ordering toast or potatoes at restaurants. Use wholemeal alternatives like bread, pasta, and rice instead of white versions for added fiber and longer-lasting fullness. Grill, poach, or bake your foods instead of frying them to significantly reduce calorie content. Focus on portion control. Keeping your servings in check is just as important as what you eat. By making small, intentional swaps, you can enjoy your meals while staying on track with your health goals. Finally, the key to long-term success is making sustainable changes. Drastic diets or unrealistic restrictions often lead to burnout and frustration. Here's how to make healthy eating a lifestyle. Set realistic goals and allow yourself some flexibility. Indulging occasionally is okay as long as it doesn't derail your progress. Focus on balance. Aim for a mix of lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates in every meal. Stay consistent. Healthy habits take time to develop, so stick with it even when progress feels slow. Engage in mindful eating. Chew slowly, savor each bite, and pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Find a support system. Share your goals with friends or family, or join a community of like-minded individuals to stay motivated. Sustainable changes lead to lasting results and a healthier, happier you. Small intentional changes in your diet and lifestyle can add up to big results. By making these smart swaps and focusing on balanced, sustainable eating habits, you're setting yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical health tips, and comment below with your favorite healthy food swaps. Remember, healthy eating is a journey. Start yours today.